Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1973 Triumph TR6 convertible. Pimento red, chestnut brown interior, 4-speed, factory overdrive, factory hardtop luggage rack, California car. It's showing 111,000 original miles. Super good TR6 here. Rust-free, super straight. I believe it's 2 owners. We just purchased it from an older lady that her and her husband maintained it beautifully. So really good running car. We're going to be posting a test drive, but you know, heavily optioned, all the right add-ons here. So you've got overdrive, you've got factory hardtop, and you've got that factory luggage rack. We purchased it from the Bay Area, and we believe it's always been a California car. And looking underneath, you can see there's absolutely there's no rust through, there's no bubbling. This car's wearing original paint, I think, except for the hood and a fender. You can see a little join here, the blend. This is original paint. This has been sprayed, and that also kind of matches the hood. And if we walk around this side, you can see this fender's been painted, but that's the original paint work right there. Rest of the car is original paint. The hardtop's original paint. So pretty impressive, well-preserved original here. You know, it does need to be painted if you want a perfect car, but plenty enough attractive as it's as the way it sits in kind of this survivor condition. So really lovely, well-preserved TR6 here. We'll do another quick walk around of the body work. As you can see here, perfect gaps. This is part of the car that's never been painted. So you're looking at all original paint work here. And trunk lid, rear fenders, doors. And that is that little magic overdrive plaque on the back. It's fitted with a J-type overdrive unit from the factory. But really good gaps on this car. Never been apart. Just wonderfully well maintained, unrestored. And like I said, just the hood, the front of the left front fender, and this right front fender has had some paint work, but the rest of this car is really original. So we've left the hardtop on, but you know, you can pull it off. It comes with a soft top that needs replacing. This car has a brown, chestnut brown top boot, the original tonneau cover, all in excellent condition. Let's take a look at this car's interior. So this interior was restored at one point. It's in overall really lovely condition. Seats are done, carpets are new. The dash panels, the dash wood needs to be replaced, but that's an easy one. And also the headliner on the factory hardtop here, it's just kind of drooping and looking pretty ugly. So, you know, if you just take this to a trimmer, flip it upside down, they can fit a new ivory headliner and have that hardtop looking great. The soft top frame's fitted in the back there, but like I said, it needs a new soft top fitted. That's the VIN. As you can see, it's got that UO suffix, which denotes overdrive, factory overdrive, but beautiful original hardtop with all the correct triplex glass. The rubber's in pretty good shape. So, so upholstery-wise, it's all been done. Needs a few little knickknacks to make the upholstery perfect, but new carpet, new panel kit, new seats. As I come around to the trunk here, chock full of all new weather equipment. There's partial parts to the panel kit there that were too nice to change out, but there's some new panels. This car's fitted with some nice big tires. Let me Let me show you under the hood here. Oh, another big bonus is brand new windshield. Brand new windshield with a pretty good rubber and a lockup strip. But let's take a look under the hood. So nice fitting hood. You can see under here, completely original engine compartment, needing just a minor spruce up in a detail. But I've driven this car around the yard. It starts on the button, super healthy, super good mechanicals. You can see some newer brakes there where the seller was telling me how she used to do all the maintenance herself on the car and take really good care of it. So yeah, really good car underneath, and real easy car to repaint, but kind of a shame too because it's such a good surviving California original. But 73 is a nice year because it did come still with these simple, clean, European-looking thin bumper blades without the rubber overriders installed. So yeah, there you have it. This is our wonderfully preserved 1973 January build date TR6 convertible, pimento red, wearing like 70% of the factory original paintwork, chestnut brown interior, 4-speed with factory J-type overdrive, disc wheels, luggage rack, 111,000 very well maintained California miles. Very good running car. We're posting a video shortly of it running and driving. But this car is up on the market. It's for sale on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com. Fully loaded, fully optioned 73 Triumph TR6.